Instead of go love pẹ̀lú brain ẹ, go lọ love pẹ̀lú heart ẹ. Tó bá ti break heart ẹ, wọ́n ti break life ẹ. Love with your brain and don't love with your heart. You've been through a lot. You have many destiny. I know where you learned what you've been doing, how you've been touching life, and how you've been making people laugh. But this to let you know that if we get to a point that we have no choice than to accept our fate, just be strong. This is part of what we use to preach to others that I've been through hell, I've been through trials, I've been through challenges.
Màmá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ all well. Ẹ̀yin colleagues mi, I don't really know what to say, but all well wà lára àwọn tí wọ́n encourage mi nígbà tí mò ń bọ̀. Èèyàn kan ti pè mí síṣẹ́ rí tí wọ́n ní àrárá all well ní ẹ̀fílẹ̀, ẹ̀yin náà ló máa ń dà púpọ̀. Àní gbogbo ìgbà yẹn mi ò lose touch, àwọn tó close mọ́ wọ́n mọ̀, a lè má máa sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ìgbà. Ìgbà tó máa di pé ọ̀wọ́ ẹ máa pass out yẹn wọ́n kàn pè mí lọ́jọ́ kan ọ̀rẹ́ mi kí ló dé tí o pè mí síṣẹ́ mo ní ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń kọ story ẹ lọ kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ bá fẹ́ wá and we wrote the story we shot it about 3 weeks before our demise and we shot it she wasn't an happy one kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe wọ́n and that moment I was just happy I was able to do it and 5 days or 6 days before she passed on. She called, my driver was in the car and she was like, mo fẹ́ kí movie yẹn jẹ́ kálẹ̀ tó lẹ́. Mo ní ọ̀wẹ̀ kò bá kọta yà mú. Wọ́n ní kọta àwọn fẹ́ yẹn before the dusk. Àfìgbà tí a gbọ́ news. Ọ̀wẹ̀ is a sweet soul. Gbogbo wa la fi ilẹ̀. But kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbàgbé. Ẹ fi mílẹ̀, wọ́n ní. because our legacy still lives on. And by the time that movie comes out, I'm dedicating it to her. It's for All Well Foundation that will be launched. And anything about her, I am in for it. Rest in peace, Daniel Banker. We miss you. Genuinely, we miss you and we love you so much. And this is a reminder for all of us. Police said it máa tún kọjú kó lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọjọ́ ajínà síra. A kú àtẹ̀mọ́ra. Thank you so much. Good evening.